We'll be exploring the intriguing world of Pi Network, which has a high global consensus value GSV of $314,159 today. But hang on, because we just found some fascinating insights from specialists that may cast doubt on its feasibility. Have you made up your mind to find out the truth? Okay, so let's begin. Welcome to the Coin Matters channel, where you can view the most recent updates concerning the Pi Network. If you need assistance with the Pi Network, you can find it on this forum. If you subscribe to the channel, you'll be the first to know about any new Pi Network rumors, forecasts, or cryptocurrency developments. If you want to be kept up to date with the latest in the comments section below, Pi Network News announced that the Pi Network has been sent into space. After everything has been established, we can proceed to the video. The Pi Network is a decentralized cryptocurrency initiative with the lofty aim of making digital cash accessible to everyone. With Vietnamese authorities looking into the reported global consensus value GCV of $314,159 for Pi, the prospect of a profitable bull run in the Pi Network's native coin IOU may be crushed. However, many professionals in the sector doubt that this enormous benefit will actually be realized. Concerned that Pi's stated high valuation could deceive investors and inflict financial harm, the Vietnamese government has boosted its investigation of the company. The purpose of the inquiry is to determine if the GCP claim is founded on reasonable economic assumptions or if it is dishonest. The Pi Network, established by a group of Stanford alums, has been vigorously promoting its cryptocurrency as the industry standard. The project's primary idea is to create a network of people who have mined Pi coins using their cell phones, and those people will be rewarded with Pi coins for contributing to the expansion of the network through the usage of their own social networks. Industry experts are intrigued by the prospect of a decentralized digital currency with a sizable user base, but the reported GCV of $314,159 has prompted some to raise an eyebrow. The current condition of the cryptocurrency market, as well as the anticipated future obstacles for Pi Network, have led some to claim that such an evaluation is impractical. Analysts and specialists in the blockchain industry agree that the current valuation of Pi is extremely unlikely to be maintained. They note that the claims made by the Pi Network are supported by the fact that it has attracted millions of members. However, it is still quite difficult for any cryptocurrency initiative to achieve widespread public adoption and usage around the world. Investments based mostly on the predicted GSCV are also cautioned against by industry specialists. Market demand, technological progress, the regulatory environment, and user adoption are just a few of the many factors that affect the success of a digital currency, so they emphasize the importance of conducting thorough due diligence. The Vietnamese government's decision to investigate the Pi Network's claims is a good sign that they are serious about protecting investors and maintaining the stability of the country's financial system. The probe will also likely shed light on the principles underlying Pi's valuation, giving us a more complete picture of the project's future prospects. Investors should proceed with care and skepticism about the Pi Network's GCV claim while the investigation is ongoing. Despite the allure of making digital currencies more accessible to the masses, it is essential to evaluate whether or not such inflated prices are realistic and sustainable. The Pi Network has not yet issued a statement in response to the probe by Vietnamese authorities. The crypto world as a whole will be keeping a careful eye on this, since the decision might have far-reaching consequences for the legitimacy and longevity of the Pi Network and its native coin. Sound judgment and well-informed decision-making are still required to safeguard cryptocurrency investments in today's chaotic market. Not only that, the wonderful news keeps on coming. Early utilities and community support are the backbone of the Pi Network's ecosystem. Envision yourself a part of the Bitcoin ecosystem that recognizes and rewards early adopters. A project with this kind of foresight is Pi Network. By prioritizing community building and early utility, Pi Network is revolutionizing our experience with digital currency. Come along as we uncover the keys to its success. Successful projects, including Pi Network, always have a dedicated and helpful community at their core. Amazing things have been accomplished by the Pi Network group, with the help of millions of loyal users who are driving its expansion. They take part in conversations, shedding light on the future of remote Pi networks and providing essential input. To learn more about the significance of early utilities and community support, let's examine the Pi network. Beta phase. Users had access to the app's marketplace and Pi coin exchange functionality throughout this time. This early glimpse into the possible uses of Pi coins not only generated attention, but also spurred the ecosystem's growth. The Pi network, with its novel method to creating a decentralized digital currency, has emerged as a viable contender in the quickly developing landscape of cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology. Key to the success of the Pi network is the mutually beneficial relationship between the early network utilities and the network's active and engaged user base. In 2019, a group of Stanford alums launched a cryptocurrency platform called Pi Network with the goal of making cryptocurrency trading easier for the general public. In contrast to older cryptos like Bitcoin and Ethereum, without needing a lot of processing power, users of the Pi Network can mine Pi tokens using their mobile devices. The purpose of this innovative mining system is to broaden access to the Bitcoin revolution. The foundation of the system is the early utilities developed for the pipeline system. The backbone of the network is provided by these essential services, which can be anything from a marketplace app to a decentralized financial DeFi solution. By creating useful services that accept Pi tokens, the network encourages its users to participate in the currency and aid in its development. Users of the Pi network can exchange Pi tokens for goods and services on the Pi marketplace. The utility and value of Pi tokens are enhanced by the fact that they may be traded freely and openly on this decentralized marketplace. Increasing Pi's mainstream usage and stimulating the community's creation of decentralized apps is a top priority for the Pi network team. As a key component of the Pi network's ecosystem, decentralized applications, dApps, allow programmers to build and launch their own applications on top of the Pi network's infrastructure. Because of this transparency and cooperation, the community can more easily innovate and create applications tailored to the specific requirements of different sectors and user groups, ultimately enhancing the network's overall usefulness. That wraps up our investigation into the fascinating field of Pi networks, the revolutionary digital currency that is completely decentralized. From skepticism among experts to the ongoing probe, global consensus value UGCV on Pi networks has been explored. How optimistic are you about the Pi network's future? Leave your thoughts in the space provided below. Our time spent in Pi network, however, is not yet done. Keep checking back for more helpful information, hints, and methods to maximize your time on Pi network. Don't miss out on any of our helpful Pi network videos by not subscribing and activating the bell. Keep in mind that the Pi network cryptocurrency is making waves. Don't miss out on the opportunity to participate in the development of digital currency. In order to fully enjoy the potential of the Pi network, it is important that you stay informed and connected. Please like and subscribe my channel. See you later. Bye.